Samsung just released the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to unbox it, check what's inside the box, see what's new compared to the previous Ultra model. So let's open it up. Now here's the box for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. As expected from Samsung, the packaging is pretty minimal. On the front we have the Galaxy S26 Ultra branding, and inside we should find the phone, a USB-C cable, and the usual paperwork. So let's open it. At the bottom here there is a tab, so we're just going to pull across. So with this one here we can put this way as well to open it, then one at the top, so we pull to open it. Okay, so let's open the box, and here we got the phone facing downward. Okay, so there's a tab at the bottom here. You can hold that and pull up the phone. So this is the black covering. This is a black color as well. So first impressions, the design looks very premium. The camera module is huge right here, and the phone feels solid in hand. So it's heavy, sturdy, and quite solid. Samsung continues the Ultra lineup with the built-in S Pen, which is one of the features that really makes this phone stand out. Now the pen is aligned all the way to the left hand side, right here, and on the side here there is a round bevel going downwards, so it's not very sharp, but it is kind of like a rounded edge down here. Still quite flat on the side. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box. So here, open up, we've got the USB-C cable. So USB-C to USB-C cable. We've got the warranty information, a quick starter guide. There is a SIM ejector tool right here, and that's it. There is nothing else in here. There's something in here. That's nothing. It's just a small kind of a box. It has nothing in it. Just an ejector tool, charge cable, and the paperwork. And like recent Samsung phones, there's no charger included in the box, so you need to have a compatible USB-C charger. Now, one of the signature features of the Ultra series is the S Pen. It sits right here at the bottom of the phone, and you can use it for things like taking notes, drawing, remote camera control, navigating the phone. So if you have used the S Pen before, you already know how powerful it can be. So let's take a quick look around the phone. On the back we have a multi-camera system, which Samsung usually pushes to the limit with high resolution sensors and powerful zoom. Now on the bottom we have USB-C port. We've got the speaker, S Pen slot, and a SIM tray. There's a small hole right here. That is the microphone. And on the front, a large edge-to-edge display with very thin bezel. Okay, so I'm going to peel off the screen protective cover. Okay, and let's power it on. There is a power button on the side here. You just press and hold it. Okay, so it's not booting up. Perhaps maybe we need to charge it. Usually it comes with pre-charge, but this particular phone does not have power. It actually does We just need to hold it a little bit longer than usual, I guess. Okay, so while it boots up, this phone is expected to come with the latest Android version of Android and Samsung's One UI, along with improvements in performance, camera processing, and battery life. So the first impressions of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the display looks incredibly bright and sharp. The design feels premium and the camera setup looks very promising. Of course, I'll need more time to test things like battery life, camera quality, and performance. If you want to see more of the Galaxy S26 Ultra videos, let me know in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tech videos. Thank you for watching.